everyone, today we will find out about the psychology behind effective pop-up copywriting. So pop-ups, those little windows that appear on website when done right, can be a powerful tool for engagement and conversion. Okay, I want to start with what doesn't work, like generic pushy pop-ups that scream buy now or subscribe without context often result in annoyance and prompt visitors to close them without a second thought. On the other hand, effective pop-up copy taps into human psychology. It's about personalization, relevance, and value. I will show you some examples from Popup Smart's playbook. These are all ready-to-use pop-up templates. You can just check them out. Okay, take a look at this example. You can see that it addresses a pain point or offers a solution. The text is super simple and it just makes you understand what they're offering pretty easily. And also the language used here is conversational and empathetic. And the use of animation makes it also more engaging. You know, it's not about the words you use only. The timing, the placement, the design of your pop-up actually affect the psychology of your visitors. Because this is a support pop-up, I like the use of the light blue color. Okay, here's another example. This is an exit intent pop-up. Exit intent pop-ups are triggered when a visitor shows intent to leave a website. Think about it. When someone is about to leave a site, they might have various reasons, perhaps hesitation over price, uncertainty about the product, or distractions. The right words in an exit intent pop-up can directly address these concerns. In this case, we're offering a 10% discount. So if the visitor is about to leave the website because of price concerns, this could be a good way to motivate them to come back and complete their purchase. And I want you to notice one more thing. As you can see, we have the word wait here. So the language used here isn't just about offering a discount, but also creates a sense of urgency with the use of the word wait. Remember, psychological triggers like scarcity or social proof can prompt action. However, authenticity is key. Misleading tactics can backfire. There are many more examples, as you can see right here. Let's see this one, for example. Okay, this is also an animated pop-up. And you see the text here. It's not very long because the visitor needs to understand what you're saying as shortly as possible. If you write so many things here, they will probably not even read it. So keeping your message as short as possible is a key tip for creating effective pop-up copywriting. Okay, here we have another exit intent pop-up example. We can see the word wait here again. It's good for creating fear of missing out because when they're about to leave the website, if they see an offer, they don't know if they come back later on, they will find the offer that you're making. So most probably they will just take this offer instead of continuing to leave your website. So to sum it up, effective pop-up copywriting requires understanding the psychology of your visitors. Understanding your audience, addressing their needs, and delivering value through compelling, authentic messaging can transform pop-ups into powerful conversion tools. Remember, it's not just about what you say, but how you say it that truly makes difference in the world of pop-up copywriting. You can go ahead and check out Popup Smart's playbook for our ready-to-use designer-made pop-up templates. And don't forget to follow Popup Smart for more.